Good morning students, welcome back to my channel. In this video I am going to solve the second task of October-November series paper 2023, and in the second task we are going to solve the databases paper, and this is the component code is 02. So let us start our paper. So we solved already the Microsoft Word document. Now let's enter into the task 3, which is databases. You are now going to prepare some reports. They are asking us to prepare some reports. Make sure all currency values are displayed in the same currency. Same currency they mention. Point to be placed here. You need to be note the point. Here the same currency, they did not mention any currency. So here in my opinion, you can use dollar sign. And next is it must and should be set as a 2 decimal place. As I told you in my previous videos also, this 2 decimal place and currency changing we will do in the report format only. Examine the file N2303V games and identify the most appropriate field to set the primary key for the close this time. Okay, so to do this we will go back to our support file folder. What is the name of the file? N23 games. N23 games. Let me open it. Okay, so let me arrange it. Yeah, so now see here, rank is 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8. This is not duplicate, I think. Do we have any duplicate keys here? No. Fine. So rank is a possibility that we can use as a primary key. Second is the game code. So let me select. Student, always remember the rank, game code, class code, subject code will be the primary usually. Okay, so to make sure the game code does not contain any duplicate value, I select it. I went to conditional formatting, highlight the cell rule and try to find out the duplicate values. So I click on duplicate values. So here I don't think any duplicate value is here for the rank code. All right, so rank code game code we can use as a primary key. Next, rank, let me select the rank and then let me apply the conditional formatting, highlight the cell and try to find out the duplicate values. So once I press OK, so here you can identify 498 and 498. You can easily see here the multiple entries. So which means here the possibilities for the primary key is the game code. Okay, so now I'm closing it. Okay, don't save, we will keep it as it is. Now let us go to the question. Using a suitable software package, import the file called N2302 games. Okay, to do that, I'm going to use the Microsoft Access. Right click, close the dummy table as I told you. Go to external data, new data source, from file, and then text files. Okay, browse, and then I will go to my desktop, and there is my, where is it, October November paper, it is here. So now first file I'm going to import is games. V games, open. Okay, next, first row contain field name. Next. Okay, in advance. Student, I hope you remember many times I told you we need to find out the boolean value. Is there any boolean value here? No. Is there any contact number or mobile number or telephone number? No. And then this should be, we need to only change here the DMY format, and rest I will keep as it is. Okay, price is also double, I don't mind here, I will keep it as the same as it is, nothing is changed. Okay, next, choose my own primary key, and my primary key is game code. Next, and finish. Done. So then close it. Now I got it. So the first file is got imported. Right click, and then I have to right click, then design view. From design view, so let me try to find out, arrange all the values according to the given table.
So let's do it. So yes, let us try to arrange the data according to the table. So now, game title is short text, rank is number, game code is short text, number. So here, I will start with rank, should be the 0 decimal place. So let me click on rank and then format to 0, enter. Next, okay, format to decimal place is 0. Okay, so let me put it as a decimal place as a 0. Next, again I have here change one more, release year number 0 decimal place. So release year here number and decimal place is 0, enter. Done. Next, global sale 3 decimal places. So where is global sale? Here it is, and the decimal place is 0, enter. Next, price and currency has a 2 decimal place. So I will click here and decimal place is 2 and it is number. And set and identify the primary key, which is already done. Save the data. And take the screenshot and paste in your evidence document. All right, showing the primary key. Right click, save. Student, you need to take a screenshot here and paste in your evidence file. Let's go to the next question. Import the file n23 platform.csv and set platform as a primary key. Okay, use the field name and the data type as provided. Okay, so this is done. Right click, save, right click, close. Now external data, text data from file, text file, browse and platform. Open the file. Okay, then it should be delimited. Next, first row contain field name. Next, advanced, and this is DMY format again. Here I'm not changing anything. Is there any contact number? No contact number. Press OK. Is there any Boolean value in the table? No, nothing. So next, choose my own primary key and platform is the primary key. Next and finish. Finish, done and close. Next. Place evidence document showing the field names and data types as a primary key. Platform, right click, design view, and you can take a screenshot like this and paste in your evidence document. Right click, save, right click, close. Next, create one-to-many relationship between platform in the platform table and platform in the game table. Okay, so to do this, we will go to databases tool, relationships. Let me select both the file, add both the table. Okay, now let me enlarge it, and this platform file to platform, create a one-to-many relationship, take a screenshot and paste in your evidence document. So like this, right click, show, okay, show all relationship. You can see this is the relationship. Okay, so now you can show here and click on edit or show all, and please place like this and take the screenshot and paste in your evidence file. Right click, save, press OK, right click, save, and right click, close. Done. So now let's go to the question number 19. In the game table, locate the record, which is game code record is AC105. So let me go to the game table, double click. Okay, first let me organize the data. Yes. Okay, you need to select all and click in between A and B, and then after that you need to press, okay, select all, Control F and Control F, AC 105. Press AC 105 and it will directly take you to that particular record. What kind of changes? Rank should be 145. Okay. Release year is 2020 and generate is action. So rank, where is rank here? Rank, let me change the rank to 145. Next, release year is 2020. Release year is 2020. Next, generate is action. Generate is ACTION, action. Done? Yeah. And then right click, save. Yeah. So nothing, we didn't able to find any error, and save the data. Right click save, right click close. Next, add the following as a new record in games table. So let me open the game table, and here 499 all the record. So type 500 and enter. It will directly take you to the new entry of the record. So game title is Sprinter, copy and paste. Next, rank is 134, type 134 here. Next, game code is AC149, AC149. Next is platform is GD, platform is GD. Year is 1999, here is 1999, and just type the rest of the entries. Generate action, and then game publisher or Lovena, done. Global sale is 6.23, 6.23, and then 12.80 is the price. Done. Right click, save, right click. Do we get any data entry error? No, nothing. So right click, save, right click, close. Done. Next. Now come to our main task, creating a report. Using the field from both the table, produce a tabular report. They are asking us to create a tabular report. Student, I hope you guys remember, in my previous videos also I told you to create a report. First we need to create a query. So we will go to click on create, query wizard, simple query. Okay, now let me select. From where we need to start? We need to start from show only the fields. All right, so first is rank. Let me put the rank here. Next is game title, game title. Next is release year, release year. Got it from here. Generate, generate. Global sales, global sales. Next is and console name. Console name is not here. I think it is in the platform. Console name. And in order. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Okay. All right. So we got perfectly fine. Now next, modify. And this is only the half done question. So this is Q21. So I'm writing query name as a Q21 and then finish. All right, done. Now next, let us start from the beginning. Select only the records where text includes sports. So it should have sports in all this records. So game title. Where is game title here? In criteria star control v sports star. So includes star. Let me run. So if you can see here, it shows as game title. Is it game title? Yeah. You will find everywhere sports, sports, sports. Okay. So it includes all sports, 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 and all the data is clearly done. Next. Next, what they are asking us to do, release year is 2010. First criteria is done. Second criteria, 2011 or later. So right click, design view, release year is 2011 or later. So it should be greater than or equal to 2011. And then done. Perfect. So I got total 32 records, students. Can you see here in the bottom? Yeah. So this is the total 32 records. So finally, we're done with the query part. Right click save and right click close all. Now let us start from sort the data to ascending order of the release year, which we will going to do in our report. So now create report wizard. Okay, put all the items to the selected field. Next, do we need to group the data? No, we do not group the data. Okay, fine. Next, ascending order. Sort the data into ascending order, release year. So I have release year is in ascending order. Next, anything descending order? Nothing. Page is a portrait. Portrait already default. Fit in a single page. It is already default single page. Next, modify the design, and what is the title, dear? Title is this. So title of the report is Sports, title released since 2011, and then finish. Perfect. So now we got it. Next, what we need to do here is, can I see your name, center number, and candidate number of the report? So as simple as that, select the label, put where you want to put, either in a header and footer, because they did not mention anything. So in header, I'm putting name, center number is IN123, candidate number is 1234. All right, done. So let me remove these pages and all unnecessary stuff. We don't have to keep it. So right click, save, and right click, close, and this is finally your report is ready. So we're done with all these questions. Let's go to the next report. Using the field from both the table, create a tabular report. Okay, tabular report. They are asking us to create. Okay, select. Okay, now to do this again, we will follow the same mechanism. We will start from show only the fields. So this is done. Right click, save. Right click, close. Now let me go to create new query wizard, simple query. Okay, now student, I hope you remember, never select any of the data from your previous query. You need to be careful while doing this. Okay, do not select any data, only select the data from both the tables. Okay, do not select any data from the query. So let us start. Game title we need. So let me go to the game table, game title first. Next is rank. Next is generate. After rank, generate. Then console name. Console name is in platform table, console name. Next, release year. Again, I have to go back to game table, release year. Then game publisher. Then after that, price. Here is the price, student. Here we need to convert into currency. Okay, in this report, we need to convert into currency. Next, and then after that, discount price. Here, something new they are asking us to create. This is a new field. We will create it later. Don't worry. Anything else we need to add? Nothing. Next, modify the design. Okay, and this is my question number 22. So for this, Q22 and finish. All right. So close the property sheet. Now let us start from the first. Select only the records where genre is action or adventurous. So where is genre in criteria? Right click and paste. Action or adventurous, run. So where is genre? So you can see here only action and adventure you can able to see the genre field. Next, rank is 200 or less. They are asking us to rank should be 200 or less. So again, right click, design view in the query 22. Where is rank? Rank is here, 200 or less. So less than or equal to 200, and then let me run this. So rank, you can see here, you will not find any rank which is greater than or equal to 200. All right, so last is the 200. So here is 200 or less than. So we put the criteria, that is also correct. So we got total 42 records for the second report. Now let's come to the new field. Okay, new field, and the field name is discount price. Okay, control C. So student, here you need to be very careful while doing this type of questions. Why? Because if you see, you need to must read the question properly to understand what you have to do. So first of all, I recommend every one of you to enlarge the field size, and then the new field control V. Just type the discount price immediately after that colon, okay, two dots. Then what is the formula? The formula is the field will be display the new price after the 5% of discount has been applied, and the formula they give us price multiplied, okay, price. So I got it here, price, control C. So first let me open the parenthesis square bracket and type price and close the parenthesis, which is for price. Okay, now multiplied by 95 divided by 100. So which is 95 divided by 100, which is 0.95. Okay, which is 0.95 and display in a currency. 0.95 and display in currency. Let me check in. So we will try with the first criteria. Let us check whether it is support, whether it will support or not, or then we will change the other criteria. Next, apply. So perfectly in the first attempt only it is working very much fine. So do not. And now here we don't have to change anything. Right click save, right click close. Now you're thinking, sir, why you did not apply the currency here? As I told you, every time please apply the any special character which is currency at the end, okay, so that your report will not generate any type of errors. Now, sort the data. Let us start sorting from our report wizard. Go to create report wizard, okay, put all the values of Q22 query, next, next. Do we need to? No, we do not have to group the data. So next, okay, what is ascending order? Sort data into descending order of generate. So first, let me select generate and make it as descending order and ascending order of rank. Ascending order of rank. Perfect. Next, is it a landscape? Okay, landscape orientation. Is it fit in a single page? Yes, it is also fit in a single page. So fit in a single page. Next, do we have any title? Has a label of earliest game release. Include the title. Oh, sorry, the title is here top entertainment game. Control C and Control C. Top entertainment game. Modify the report and finish. Perfect. Done. Now, let's come to your question. As you said, sir, now when you are going to apply the currency. Okay, now I'm going to apply the currency. Okay, so double click on my top entertainment thingy. Okay, right click on layout view. There are many options you can do. Right click on layout view. I will select the currency. Then I will go to property sheet and format to currency. Okay, now see student, I hope you can see all the currencies which come with a 2 decimal places. So here, no sir, in our computer it is not coming. So you can make decimal place from auto to 2 and enter. So that's all. So now here student, this is how you need to do your report. I hope you understood how to do it. Now just slowly adjust your data. Okay, just move little bit and move little bit and just make it as a visible. Okay, so here all data is perfectly visible. Nothing is overlap. If you want to move the rank, you can move it little bit so that it look good. Perfect. Yes. Next, calculate the earliest. Okay, earliest release year. Okay, place in the below of the release year column. Okay, so let's do it. Release year. Let's do it now. So we will go to our report, right click, design view. All right. So now where is the in release year? So select the release year and go to your report design and choose the minimum function. Okay. So done. Now let me remove this and let me remove the page number 2. Don't need this. Extract it and just enlarge it so that here you can able to see your report perfectly. Okay, so this is the earliest year. Right click, enter, and then early year. So the earliest year is 1991. So now go to right click, layout view, and adjust it under the year so that your data is properly aligned. Perfect. Next, so do we need to label it? Yeah, we need to label it as a earliest game release. So copy this content, right click, design view, and just go to your report design, choose the label, and then paste it here, the earliest release. Yeah. Let me show you the last time. Perfectly fine. So now you can see here, right click, design view. Okay. Here your data is also there at the bottom. Next, what we need to do. Okay. has your name, censor number, candidate number in the footer. First, this is the first time they mention here to put in a footer. So right click, design view. Again, go to labels, A and just select it and write your name ABC, center number IN 123, candidate number is 1234. All right, so done. So next, place in screenshot in your evidence document showing the formula is being used. So to do that, right click design view. This is the screenshot, student, you have to take it. And please, while taking screenshot, please cover the full formula, minimum formula we use, min formula to do that. All right. So done. Now anything else we need to do? Nothing. Thank you. Yeah. So we're done with this video. I hope you enjoy the video. Please like the video and subscribe to my channel. Thank you very much.